Hello, what's up, everybody? Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So, on today's video, I'm going to show you how to work on transcription stuff. The audio test, I'm going to take you along through everything. First things first, we apply. So I'm gonna write my details. Yeah, I'm gonna hide it for security purposes. Then we go to the audio test. Yes, so we are here now at the last part. I had already written mine, copied and pasted it, then pinned it so that I can't lose it. Yeah, this is the work. And I think that my work is okay. I'm gonna submit it. Yeah. And that's all for today, guys. That was the test. Everything you need to know. Yeah. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. See you next on my YouTube video. Thank you. Bye.